just drove 4.5 hours from Reykjavik without stopping. Thing that I'm sure I'll never see again in my life. We're the only one at the Glacier Lagoon. The only car. There's no one else here. I don't know if I should be happy or sad about that. One of the coolest things about this area is all of the glacier tongues that fall off of Vatnajökull and just crawl down the mountain. So we are just kind of exploring today and looking, just looking around at what we can find. Looks like we found a good one. Well, friends, I'm pretty sure this is the exact definition of happiness for this girl. Glaciers, mountains, blue sky, moss, no one around. Just me and that one. Bye, place. See you next time. I have nothing else to say other than I just want to remember this view of this beautiful glacier behind me as we're walking away. Taking a chance on this new place that I have been wanting to go. I don't really know exactly where to go and what to do, but hopefully it's worth it. Let's go. The trail is pretty obvious, and then you can see like this stick right here. You can see all the way, that's the Fjallarland and that's Jökulsárlón. You can see so far. Wow. That's the hardest hike. You guys, what is happening? I am dying over this hike. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. All right, here is the spine between two very sharp drop-offs, and I don't know if it looks like sketchy in the video, but you know, one wrong move, and so we're just staying on the path, little baby path. Just watching my steps, okay? Just watching my steps. Almost there. So far we've seen 3 very large and beautiful waterfalls. So I'm good. I'm not complaining over here. Such a little foss in terms of its volume, but it's so beautiful. And that pool of blue on the bottom. We made it. I'm in love. This is a move into one of my favorite spots in Iceland. Alright, here is the exit of the canyon. You have a glacier tongue coming down here. You can see two glacier lagoons all the way out to the Atlantic Sea. Just beautiful. Peace out, amazing place. See you next time.